welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. That's what we do. I want to thank everybody. We hit 100K. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers. I want to thank my boss. And I want to thank God for giving me the strength and empowering me to do what I do every day. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and start the drawing. I'm using a YouTube comment app that generates winners. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot that where you can see the winners. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, first one up. It's gonna be Joe L. Joe L. Okay, let's go to second. Second one is going to be Michael G. Michael G is the second winner. Okay. Number 3, Benjamin Carrington. That's the third winner. And let's see here. Number 4, Marshall Jones. Marshall Jones, number 4. And number 5 is going to be Crispy 464. And let's see, Keith Howard Ashmore. My next winner is going to be Brent Deering. Daniel Steiger is my next winner. And Chris Whitehead. Chris Whitehead. And I believe that is number 9, and number 10 is Roger E. Anyway, if you won, if you're a winner in the giveaway, you won $100. I'm gonna pay that out on Cash App. Or however, if you don't have the Cash App, it's real easy to send money. It works real easily. That's the easiest way for me to send you money. Please, if you're a winner, send me an email, towtruckerbiz@gmail.com, and give me some kind of a YouTube screen name or screenshot YouTube if you can do that. If you can't, email me. We'll figure it out. I need to make sure I get money to the right person. I did lose out on one of my giveaways. Somebody got me on one of my prior giveaways. But anyway, please do that. You can go to my About page to get my email link, and I'll post it right here on the screen. If you did win, make sure you email me so I can get you the money. Send me a Cash App, or we can do it PayPal if you need to. It takes a little bit of time on PayPal. Anyway, send me an email. Appreciate you. We're going to get into some content, man. Thanks. Here we go. We're back over here at the trailer park again. Over here yesterday, we had a bunch of controversy over here yesterday. But needless to say, it's what we do, non-consensual towing, man. For yank cars. Maybe somebody call the cops again on us. He said get the green one. Yeah. Hey, you get the white one out of here already? You move the white one?
Which white one?
Oh, you said the one you said yesterday. Take the white one.
Oh no, they didn't take it.
Huh?
No.
Oh, it's already gone.
I guess so.
Yeah, I'll hear that. Anyway, the kid came out, man. He's actually a pretty good kid, man. We wound up towing three vehicles at his house, and he came and found us on the back side of the property yesterday and asked us about the other vehicles. I know we towed three. We might have towed more, but he's been pretty understanding about the whole situation. He's made some sarcastic comments, but at the end of the day, he's kept it together. That's all you can do is keep it together. He knows that the property guy here is not trying to pick on him or trying to make it hard on him. He knows that the manager here is trying to keep the property up, and they got to do it. But yeah, like I said, it's nice when you deal with somebody like him. That's you know, he's young, but he's mature enough to know causing a big stink about it, it's not going to help him any. It's not going to help us either. Car's got to go, and he knows that. But anyway, we're going to drop this one here. Dropping this one here and going back to getting the Fox body right now. Anyway, we're heading drop the van back there by the office. We're gonna come back and rehook the van, that van on the rear, and roll out after we get the Fox body. But I could wheel lift that big van. That shouldn't be too big of a problem. It's kind of heavy, but I could wheel lift that van and get it back to the yard. Hey, no, I ain't getting down. Hey, appreciate you staying calm, dude. Hey, listen, hey, it shows your maturity level, dude. I mean, you could have snapped on him. He didn't have no camera on you. I know, man. Listen, I know when you're young, man, it's hard not to snap, bro. I know. Yeah. But you know why he's doing it, because he's the manager. Yeah. Hey, have a good one, brother. Hey, you know I got a YouTube channel. Huh? You know I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, let me see that.
Tow Trucker, man.
What is it called?
It's called Tow Trucker.
Tow Trucker?
Yeah, you'll be on there.
Alright.
Yeah. You come walking up on me, hey, man. Hey, Tow Trucker, one word. Looks like they moved the Fox body, didn't they? They moved it out. This guy right here sitting in his driveway, he's a tow guy. He's not going to be happy about this. Let's see how he reacts. The manager.
It's in my truck. I'm going to the truck.
And the property's towed, it, man. It's in disrepair.
It's in my truck. I'm going now. What's up?
My manager told me that you could get.
Yeah, it is the truck. I'm going right now.
You taking it out?
Yeah.
What about this? You taking it too?
No, this car is mine.
I just have to do what she told me to do. All right.
Hey, so you're gonna get it now? Because he's gonna have us come back, man. I mean, if you're really not gonna get it, I might as well get it now if you're not gonna move it.
Yeah, you put it inside.
Because he's not. I mean, his manager said they got to go today. Two more vehicles were removed yesterday by the owners, and so needless to say, it worked out well, and I'm heading to the yard with these other two. Thanks for watching. Peace. Anyway, we're rolling in hot. Got another one. Hauling holiday weekend. Got another impound right here. I guess somebody's blocking a garage. They gave me a garage number, so I assume it's somebody blocking one of these garages over here at this property. We get called over here periodically for people to block other people in. Some of the units have garages associated with the unit, and if you block somebody in, man, your car's going to get yanked. That's just what happens, man. It's just how it goes. Anyway, we got that one out of the way. Cars get towed every day, man. People don't like it, but that's what happens, man. We got people come on the channel, man, and they hate on the channel, but boy, they love to watch these videos, man. I got some real loyal haters. Come on there and they give a thumbs down, man, on the videos, man. Every video, man. Them haters, they love this channel. Oh man. Anyway, it is what it is, man. Cars get towed, people get mad, life goes on, man. That's just what happens. That's how it goes. Cars get yanked. Anyway, go ahead to the yard. Anyway, that was a resident that lived at that unit that left that note for this person here. Left that note for that person here. I pissed off the rooster next door. He's making all kind of noise. He knows I'm over here. He thinks I'm another rooster. Let's see if we can get a picture of him. I'm gonna get this rooster on camera. That rooster's he's always crowing. And you don't like anybody coming up here by the fence. He's pretty territorial. I bet you he would attack you if you went in there in his pen. Anyway, we got that thing to the yard. Enough yapping. We got that thing to the yard. The property's really full. We had a big auction last weekend. It went real well. That's what it is, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to my boss, and I want to thank God, man, for keeping me safe.